Now I see myself from inside. I no longer wonder why the free cage birds did not fly. When I look myself from inside, I no longer wonder why the free cage birds could not fly. Superficially free outside, mentally and spiritually caged inside. I no longer wonder why. I no longer wonder why they look towards the sky. The preacher interpret lies, allegorical pies above the starry skies. Eat them when you die, if you pay your tithes. While on earth, the hungry people cry. Mother's milk run dry. The tears flow inside. Hungry babies die. Keep hope alive. Keep hope alive. Keep hope alive, the preacher man said. God will provide your elusive promise pies, elusive promise lies. But look how high them vultures fly. There's no carcass in the sky. Right on earth they feed and die. Here on earth they're promise pie. If the Bible is your guide, follow the ways of the ants and be wise. Bananas don't grow in the sky. No more manna from up high. It's eagles and drones flying high. So high, above the starry skies. UFOs in disguise, electronic ears and eyes. While on earth we walk in deaf. Deaf, deaf, deaf. I see blind leading the blind. Can't hear or see the time. The wise man eyes, eye in his head. In the abundance of light, the fools walk in darkness. The wise man eyes, eye in his head. In the abundance of wealth, the fools live in poverty. Now I see myself from inside. I no longer wonder why the free cage birds still can't fly. Decadence, moral and cultural decline, moral and culturally designed. Now I see myself from inside. I no longer wonder why.